Hello, Etsy sellers. Are you looking to increase your sales without breaking the bank? Here are 10 invaluable tips to help you attract more buyers and boost your sales, all at no extra cost. First, optimize your product titles with relevant keywords to improve search results. Second, ensure your shop's visual appeal by using high-quality images that reflect true product details. Third, engage actively with your customers by responding promptly to their questions and reviews. Fourth, improve your product descriptions, making them clear, informative, and enticing. Fifth, use Pinterest and other social platforms to share your listings and reach broader audiences. Next, experiment with different pricing strategies, offering discounts or special deals where possible. Seventh, maintain an updated inventory with accurate stock levels to avoid disappointing potential customers. Additionally, gather and display genuine customer reviews to build trust and credibility. Ninth, make use of Etsy's inbuilt tools like Shop Stats to monitor performance and tailor your approach accordingly. Finally, keep your shop policies transparent and customer-friendly to ensure a pleasant shopping experience. Implement these strategies today and watch your Etsy business thrive.